yesterday I was talking about this US cricket team and I got disconnected. तो today कल थोड़ा मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम विद कैमरा ना, तो मुझे थोड़ा एंगल्स का आइडिया नहीं था, तो मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा पास में लेके आया था, तो सॉरी फॉर दैट. टुडे आई ट्राई टू मेंटेन सम डिस्टेंस. इट इज़ बिट ऑफ क्योंकि मेरे पास भी स्टिक नहीं है, राइट. सो बट स्टिल वी विल try to make do. Okay, so let me just cross the road and then आज I'll take you to the same place. It's just the destination will be a bit different. मतलब sorry, the destination as in the route will be different. Let me just cross the road. Okay, थोड़ा सा awkward होगा. So कहाँ से लेके चलो. I don't know. So yeah, okay. So what we want is I was talking about US team and I was saying that per se cricket probably hasn't expanded in that part, right? But it has, right? So, and it has happened very quickly because of whatever attractiveness that they have for people, as in their view is. And obviously, I mean, I don't think people are thinking about it consciously or anything, but yeah, I don't think people are thinking about it consciously or anything, but I think what they have done is that they have made their immigration program very attractive, right? And because the immigration program is attractive, so they are able to attract ready talent, right? So I'm not going into why or how or ifs and buts. No, that's I just studied, and like I said yesterday, right? So they have been able to build a team in a very quick period of time, right? Because of reasons, you know, and whatever the path that they chose. So I'm not judging or anything. It's just that they had certain things in their system and they were able to get that type of talent, which was more mature in cricket, right? So as a result, they were able to get the results quickly, right? So that whole thing was quick, right? So the point is that things can happen very quickly. So you not always, that is the nature of reality. So that is what we are interested in. We are not interested in how things will happen, what program will happen, in what way. That is not our concern, right? But what we are interested in is that how things happen, and sort of, you know, trying to make an outline about that. So once that is taken care of, then maybe other people use it, maybe they don't. That is right now not my area of focus. Okay, so that is what we want. Now from here on, we have established that things can change very quickly, right? They can change quickly. That is nature of reality, that is nature of how things happen. So yesterday I said that if quality of action is our focus, then in a very quick period of time we can become a very advanced country, right? All we need to do is get our focus right. So वो कल मेरा point था. So let me just, I make walking videos, so थोड़ा सा तो there are issues. So quality of action is something that we have established that should be our focus, right? And yesterday we also established that why continuing education should be our focus, because we cannot walk on the path which is lesser in quality. That is the first place, because everybody wants high quality action, because everybody wants high quality life. So that is something which all of us have in common, right? So that is our first premise, and we cannot go outside that premise, no matter who we are and how much wealth we have or how much whatever our things are. So that is this is something which we cannot change, right? Because if we change that, then we will go outside the paradigm of I would say rationality and life itself, right? So obviously life as in a way that life is perceived livable. So everybody wants to live, and everybody wants to live a livable life, and everybody wants to have high quality life, right? Which is so therefore everybody wants high quality of action, or at least everybody should want, right? So that is an ideal goal, right? And that is something which everyone is interested in. That is something which we have already established. So from that premise, we cannot go outside it. Okay? Now, what does it mean for education and what does it mean for us? Now, first thing I think that I established yesterday was all of us are in an education program. The way you can only be in two programs. You can only be in a medical program, or you can be in sort of general education program, right? Those who are in medical program are in medical program and have to be in a general education program, right? Those of some who are more interested in education are sort of interested in general education program in a sort of more serious, almost professional way, right? So that is something, but all of us have to have general education credits or general education program. That is something what life what is the word necessity, right? Let me cross the road. Today we'll take a different route, because I want to show you थोड़ा अलग रास्ते पे दिखाऊँ आपको. अच्छा today I had a chat with DTC people. So I sent a mail to them. I was not happy with service of us, so they had they sent me a response to my query, and then I sort of thanked them. They're good people. I have always liked DTC because when I was a student, तब भी मैं बस लेता था काफ़ी obviously, and they were sort of backbone of commute. क्योंकि मतलब स्टूडेंट पास वर क्वाइट चीप, राइट? और अभी they're quite affordable, and buses are nice and everything. So anyway, another point that we were discussing was about Pakistan's cricket team's loss in T20 World Cup, and they had lost to the United States, and कल उनका आयरलैंड से मैच था तो वो बेयरली दे वर एबल टू विन, राइट? सो वहाँ पे पीपल आर सॉर्ट ऑफ टुडे मतलब अभी शाम को आई वाज वाचिंग द न्यूज़ एंड दे वर सेइंग कि दे हैव नॉट रीच द एयरपोर्ट बिकॉज दे आर अफ्रेड दैट दे विल बी ट्रीटेड विद एग्स एंड टोमेटोज एंड व्हाट नॉट. ठीक है, बट ऑब्वियसली ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए, राइट? Because what needs to be done is that more considerate approach needs to be taken, in my view. पहले तो we need to accept what they have already achieved, right? They played T20 Cricket World Cup. Not every country went out there and played it, right? So in my view, they should have a session, but first they congratulate the team for making it. तो वहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली ये नहीं हो रहा बिकॉज पीपल आर यूज टू ग्लोरी एंड आई थिंक दे हैव फॉरगॉटन द बेसिक्स कि व्हाट दे ऑलरेडी हैव, तो वो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, राइट? and then sort of bringing other people, and then see, if I were in their place, I would thank them and probably invite them for a dinner or something, right? कि भाई चलो ठीक है, एटलीस्ट यू डिड, ठीक है, मतलब टूर्नामेंट वेंट बैड तो क्या हो गया, ठीक है. सी व्हाट दे आर गोइंग थ्रू, ऐसा नहीं है इंडिया में होता नहीं था, इंडियन टीम में, क्रिकेट टीम में थिंग्स आर मच बेटर नाउ ऑब्वियसली, बट ऐसा थोड़ी है कि वी आर अबव एवरीथिंग, ऐसा भी नहीं. सो ऑब्वियसली आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट सिनेरियो एज अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर, बिकॉज यू नो आई हैव curiosities and they run everywhere. Wherever they find a good case, I catch it. So the idea is that they should try to, you know, first of all thank the team for what they have already done, and then create an enabling environment of as to, you know, I think right now they've sort of cornered themselves a little bit, because they feel that the entire country, as in their country, is against them, and they have made it in a way that it's us versus them, right? So obviously that should never be the case. तो वहाँ तो obviously ऐसा हो रहा है अभी, और see, the thing is that I am interested in talent development, right? So this type of problems attract me. So what I am saying is that proper procedure should be followed, right? So people should first thank them कि भाई ठीक है, see they have so many teams, how many teams are playing World Cups, right? For that matter हमारी in India, but right now I want to talk about them. Okay. So then I will sort of create an environment where they are able to open up without fear or without you know, risk of being fired or whatever, right? And yeah, I mean there are calls in Pakistan cricket scenario about surgeries and this and that. So I'm not an operational person. I told you, I like to study, but whatever I do, that also has depth and value, right? So for example, a general medicine person has more overarching this view, right? He is not an oncologist, he is not a cardiologist, right? But their view also has its own place, because it's sort of multi-faceted and spatial, I would say, and has its own depth, a field in its own right? Because sometimes experts can get blinded. So obviously there may always be something which an operational person will tell कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता, which is fine by me, right? But from my point of view, I'm saying that जो सर्जरीज हैं और ये क्विक फिक्सेस हैं, आई डोंट थिंक दे वर्क, राइट? जो भी मैंने पढ़ा है अभी तक, इसके बेस पे मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये सब वर्क करेगा. सो आई थिंक टेम्पटेशंस शुड बी कंट्रोल्ड, क्योंकि अभी थोड़े दिन पहले ना उनको ट्रेनिंग के लिए दे वर सेंट ऑफ ऑन अ नॉन स्पोर्टिंग ट्रेनिंग. तो ऑब्वियसली स्पोर्ट पीपल शुड बी सेंट टू स्पोर्टिंग ट्रेनिंग. तो I mean, these things are tempting. I mean, you feel like you're gaining control of the situation, and you feel you're getting somewhere in a very efficient manner. But it may not happen. Things may get worse, right? So sometimes not doing something is the best thing that you can do, and sort of creating the right conditions. So anyway, so if I were there, and so I would create an enabling environment for them to sort of thrive and not put pressure on them, sort of 2-3 day के लिए sort of a retreat or a recreation sort of a thing, right? Right now they put an axe on it, तो वो बेचारे घबरा गए और द होल कंट्री ऑफ देम हैज़ पुट एन एक्शन देम. तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ऑब्वियसली. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू बी वेरी अप्रिशिएटिव एंड वेरी काइंड, because at the end of the day they have made begin something. Frankly, it is much better than what most people in their country have done, right? So instead of being thanked, they may be feeling that we have done something wrong or something. So obviously ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. It also gives a bad impression on what sort of learner psyche is there. I don't use the word public because public से थोड़ा सा it demeans learners. All of us are learners in a classroom, right? So learner psyche के बारे में थोड़ा सा गलत मैसेज जाता है, तो ऑब्वियसली वो नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? वी शुड नेवर इंसल्ट एनीवन. Now that said, I am saying that they should let them speak. They do have talent, right? And I think one fear that they have is getting dropped from the team. That obviously should never be the case. Maybe वहाँ पे situations are such that it's all or nothing environment, which obviously should not be the case. Either you are in the team, then you are sort of star of the galaxy, and then अगर आप टीम में नहीं हो तो you are a nobody. So obviously they should have a wider talent pool. For example, in India, like you have Yashasvi and you have Shubman Gill, they are not playing. But ऐसा थोड़ी है that they are nobodies, people don't know them, or so उन लोगों में वो fear नहीं है, right? They don't have that thing, and it is something that they have won because they have talent. You want to see a bus? It's nice, no? I have a bus pass. I showed you yesterday. I can go wherever I want to go. So, yeah, I mean, an enabling environment should be created for them, and they should be able to talk, and they should be able to speak, and they should tell you what they have done well and what happened and what did not happen. So, वो जब तक नहीं होगा चीज़, तो फिर how will solution be built, right? And they should be respected a lot for what they have accomplished, right, in their talents and with other people in other fields also. So I think unless you have the right process in place of appreciation, of reward, you can't just want about it, right? So a process has to be followed, और इसी moments पे पता लगता है कि how rich you are as a World Cup society or World Cup economy, so to say. Because if things go wrong and then we don't stick to the process, so that means we were never about the process to begin with, right? Now there are layers to it, but generally speaking, or for the most part, this is the truth. So I mean, that is obviously their society, but truth is we are also coming from that space, क्योंकि I'm pretty sure आज से 15-20 साल पहले हम भी वैसे थे, और शायद हमारे अंदर में remnants तो नहीं, because we are also not perfect, although we have done very well in many things, but we should also not make the same mistakes of being knee jerk or being rushing to solutions, और वो सब नहीं होना चाहिए, right? So in fact now I'm thinking that education has to be embraced fully. So वो चीज़ तो I think I don't think even major economies have adopted it. Frankly speaking, we are still an end-driven world. यहाँ पे मतलब people work for rewards almost purely in a lot of cases. तो वो rewards are rewards, उनका नाम ही reward है. अगर उनका नाम एंड होता तो उनका नाम एंड बोलते हैं ना, तो उनको रिवॉर्ड्स बोलते हैं. हाउ वुड यू फील इफ यू आर अ किड और अ बर्थडे हु सेलिब्रेटिंग द बर्थडे ओनली फॉर गिफ्ट्स? तो अभी ऑब्वियसली हमारी सोसाइटी थोड़ी वैसी हो रखी है ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट इंडिया और समथिंग. आई होप वॉइस क्वालिटी इज गुड, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक जा रहा है और इश्यूज तो हैं यार. ठीक है, बट आई लाइक आउटडोर. अब मैं घर पे बनाऊँगा बोर हो जाऊँगा भाई. I like to show you these buses and like it. देखा टुडे आई रेड होल DTC चार्ट, तो मुझे पता है बस कहाँ जाती है. मतलब अभी याद नहीं है वाली 50 बट हैव द होल चार्ट. Buses should be a central mode of transport. This is what I told DTC people today. You should take the DTC buses more seriously. That is what I told them. As in, you're talking. मैंने complaint raise करी थी एक बस पे इस आगे पर. But I said that you should take your buses more seriously. That अभी somehow we have drifted from the idea कि I think in advanced economies buses are always the central mode of transportation. And if you want greener Delhi, तो obviously buses तो चाहिए ना. In fact, they should be as frequent as one can have. अभी issue ये है कि frequent कम है, although they are quite frequent. So that is what I told them कि you should work on those things. So let's see. I hope they reply, or at least I said my thing, whatever I had to say. So maybe I'll work with some of these organizations and sort of help them see the world in an educational way. Maybe they need a little bit of me. So anyway, right, so knee jerk is never a good idea, and you have to embrace what you already have. Unless processes are perfect, then destination will never be right. It will not be enjoyable. Or what did I say? How would you we are like a kid who was celebrating the birthday not because of their birthday, or not because it's a happy day for them and they'll get to cut and they'll get this, but because they've started thinking about the gift too much. वो थोड़ा end driven भी नहीं होना चाहिए, because it takes away from what we already have, right? So buses are party. I'll show you. ये मधुविहार स्टैंड आ रहा है, तो चिकन देखो. पीछे बसेस पार्क में. तो ना इमेज एक भी नहीं होती 770, आज सारी 770 एक रही है, और आज 77 भी जाती है, कभी नहीं जाती. फिर दूसरी 770 आगे भी 770 खड़ी है. मॉर्निंग में आता कभी नहीं होती, 1 घंटे वेट करा देखो. दैट इज व्हाई आई रेज द कंप्लेंट. चलिए नहीं. So what we were saying, so I'll keep this video sort of medium and long. Did I tell you about the swimming thing yesterday? Yeah, I'm getting good at swimming. Hopefully I'll be able to do well in the nationals that are coming. इस साल नहीं तो डेफिनेटली नेक्स्ट साल तो कर लूँगा, बट आई थिंक इसी साल कर लूँगा. बट एक्चुअली पता नहीं चलता ना, दिल्ली ओपन की कराएंगे डेट बहुत फास्ट, नेक्स्ट मंथ ही ऐसा कुछ शायद मिड भी हो जाए. बट एनीवे, आई एम जस्ट फोकस ऑन द प्रोसेस, राइट? So this is a vlog plus this is education. So I have done the vlog part. Education I'm doing here. I'll show you Delhi also. मेरा मन है घूमने का, तो मैं आप लोग को भी थोड़ा बहुत घुमा दूँगा. दिल्ली दर्शन बस है, 200 रुपये की है. इफ़ एनी वन इज़ इंटरेस्टेड प्लीज़ गो. मतलब मैंने आज पढ़ा है DTC की वेबसाइट पे. सो किस दिन संडे को कभी चला जाऊँगा मैं. लेट्स सी, पिकनिक हो जाएगी. राइट? ओके, सो what is the concept that we have covered? That process is important, no knee jerkness. enabling, creating right conditions. Yeah, that is something which will make an advanced process. So, matlab, we are not honest with the process, so we will not get the results that we should be. And we should not be like the kid who is, I mean, it's not good, right? If you are overly excited about the gifts. But I don't want to use kids examples. At the end of the day, just kid. But then there are things which are right and wrong. I think there are always course correction that parents do. So, airport bus. So that is it about the process. आसपास की सोसाइटी है, राइट? So what? Right. So now let's proceed in knowledge. The way to proceed in body. So we have covered why we should continue education. We have covered what is the philosophy behind helping others. It is an education for self, not necessarily for others, which is what we want, because that is the first premise, that we want high quality life and high quality action. Right? Because we cannot go outside it. Quality of action has to be very good. It has to be high. Otherwise, that's not life itself, right? Then meaning has been lost, and that is something obviously which we cannot do. So now, पता नहीं मेरी इतनी एनर्जी रहेगी कि नहीं मैं हिंदी वाले चैनल पे बना पाऊँ, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली एक वीडियो 1 घंटे का होता है, तो फिर उसको डबल शूट करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. बट लेट्स सी उसमें कैसा आएगा, इसमें कैसा आएगा. But knowledge has to be shared. That is what I have concluded. So I will share it. Right? So the books are already there, always there. So it doesn't mean that people read it or people don't read it. वो तो ज़रूरी नहीं है. Okay? So now right. So education and enrichment was the first reason that why we should pursue education. Then we talked about continuation, why we should continue it. Then we talked about how we should continue it, right? Now we are talking about the right methods which create enabling circumstances for education. So that is also important, and it solves big problems. It takes care of the big picture, which all of us are interested in. So, and we concluded that things can happen in a quick manner, right? So that is just the nature of things. Now, in a positive way and in a negative way, it's how the actor acts that determines. And we have so many actors, so each actor has to act in a high quality manner, right? That is education. And we also concluded that all of us are in an education program, mandatorily. We cannot escape it. So that is quality life. Because all of us are in a classroom. So those are some of the things मेरे माइंड में चल रही थी. We have to spend a lot of time on realization of these things. Because yesterday I discussed the premise that we have 60 odd years after class 10, and we have to fill it with a lot of value, and we have a lot of time. So obviously realization has to happen. Or yesterday through foundations and through other things I discussed how realization can happen and why it should happen, right? So I said if you are somebody who has a foundation of 200 or 700 crore rupees, or you have a property lot of that size, so then you obviously don't want a blank life, right? Nobody wants a blank life, including you, right? So then yesterday I discussed that why education or how educational goals can be achieve using your foundations. Now foundations are not the only thing. Talent is one thing, right? So it's a team thing. Yesterday I discussed this. Frankly, foundation part is a bit weak, because talent is still doing what they're supposed to do in a lot of ways. Foundation wale part mein we need a lot more, I think, because otherwise enabling environment will not be created, and if one player doesn't play well, the entire team cannot play, right? So team knowledge has to play, team India has to play, team value has to play, team education has to play. तब जाके a quality life gets built. Right? I'm just interested in the philosophy behind it. तो वही है यार, 715 is going. ये तो नया नंबर है, मैं देखेंगे. Okay. So that is something. So we need to embark on this journey of education and realize those goals for ourselves by involving others. That is the main crux of the thing. और फिर problems will get solved. So now let's focus on problem. So what problems will get solved, and what type of solutions can be developed, and what can happen, and what. So it's like an architects the architecture, and then buildings get built by builders, or a doctor solves the case, and then personnel help revive the patient, treat them, revive them, right? So कितना टाइम हो गया? तो 32 मिनट्स हो गए. So ठीक है, I'll keep it on 40. वैसे बहुत छोटा हुआ है. So from now we will talk about all these things. ये जो हमने फाउंडेशन ब्लॉक बनाया आज और कल मिला के, और then we'll start talking about problems and what type of problems can be solved, and what does it mean to solve problems, and what are those big problems, and where we can sort of use our knowledge, and maybe we'll try to solve some of the problems also. Like I said कि मैं DTC वालों से बात करी, तो that is also one way of engaging with somebody to, and I told them that we need, I gave them motivation, so that is also enough. क्योंकि see, organizations like DTC, DDA, even police, इनको ना shame बहुत मिलती है. They don't get the appreciation that they deserve, right? So but we should never take things for granted कि भाई जो हो रहा है वो, मतलब for example these buses, they have solved कितनी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करें इन लोगों ने, राइट? आई एम सीइंग देम लास्ट 25 years, DTC पीपल. So these buses have always been the backbone of the city, right? So I thought I should thank them and sort of give them motivation and boosting. So I said कि no, you should take yourself more seriously. क्योंकि कल मेल में बोल रहे थे कि we have financial crunch and we cannot do more buses on your route and everything. Although I did not ask them to start more buses, but they themselves said. क्योंकि mindset वैसा हो गया ना कि हाँ हमारे को financial crunch है, which is true, right? But then मतलब if you take yourself seriously, then maybe the government people will listen, because they are also part of the team, right? So thing is that if you present your case well, then other people will listen. So DTC comes under this Delhi government. So I told them that fine, I'll write a mail to Transportation Department of Delhi government and tell them that you did a good job, because you should also be appreciated, that you were prompt and you were customer centric. And उनको ज़रूरी था. They have like 250,000, 300,000 customers daily, maybe 500,000 more. I am just one guy wrote a mail. मुझे definitely ये लग रहा था कि ये लोग reply थोड़ी करेंगे, but they replied with proper paperwork. So that shows a lot about them. So that is why I told them कि no, you should take yourself more seriously, present your case in a better manner, because you are needed for the city. Because what do you expect कि आज से 20 साल बाद क्या, what do you think कि हम क्या सिर्फ cars के through चलेंगे? I don't think so. I think buses are always in a civilized society, people use buses. right? Now I'm not saying cars are not good or anything, or I will not use car. That is not what I'm saying. I'm saying that buses, they should be so convenient कि आपको ना मतलब घर से बाहर निकलते एक बस हो, right? तो स्कूल भी तो बस में आते हैं, स्कूल हम कार में नहीं आते थे ना. तो दे वेरी कन्वीनियंट. एंड इफ़ यू वांट अ ग्रीनर सिटी तो ऑब्वियसली एक मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पर बैंक करना पड़ेगा ना. अब यू कांट हैव बोथ द थिंग्स ना कि हमें सिटी भी ग्रीन नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज समडे somebody will say that, you know what, cars are making too much pollution. I don't know if they are or they are not. I'm not from environment space. But somebody may say that, buses are a good idea. मतलब मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है from a distance. But if you want greener city, then I'm pretty sure buses will play a major part. Now, unless somebody can correct me, somebody who's from environment space, that maybe something counterintuitive, too many buses are not a good idea. So even then, refutal of a hypothesis is also a good thing, right? So people should always question. But I think buses can play a major role without expert knowledge of buses sector. That for a greener city, we should work towards that goal, right? Because one bus carries so many passengers, so, and I'm pretty sure per passenger pollution, and if there's, especially if there's electric, so तब तो कोई issue ही नहीं है. So, and convenience and everything. So, that's what I said. Even if, say, they're equal with cars, then also we should use buses along with cars. So that was one way of engaging with the problem. So maybe if anyone watches this class or this course, two buses happening, so maybe you can engage with your community in an educational manner. Maybe you can live your own life and or pursue your own education as you should, because otherwise life will be empty and meaningless and small and thin, so obviously nobody wants that. So यही है. So I think I've created a rich base. So my idea is I will not extend these classes unless they need to be extended, but I will also not shorten them or shrink them if there is more foundation work that I need. So, but I'm quite happy with the foundation work that I've done over last 2 or 3 classes frankly. So 3 classes foundation की अच्छी हैं. So maybe we'll try to engage with more problem solving, or at least the philosophy of problem solving, because pretty sure we will not solve actual problems, but we will think about what it means to solve problems. So if you're a doctor, you will think about what it means to solve cases, right? I've reached Manipal hospital again. ये मेरी बस का स्टार्टिंग है, क्या कहते हैं, डिपो है, एंड पॉइंट है यहाँ से राउंड अबाउट मारते हैं. As far as problems go now, the world has so many so to say empty spots. There are places that need filling. People are not happy, right? Life is not dreamy or exciting enough in places. So obviously there is always something that education can do. or not something, if everything is also perfect, that is also victory of education, right? The way fit person or non-patient is a victory of medicine, which calls for more medicine, not less. So, same way here, it calls for more education. So we'll explore what type of education we need in our life and what we can do in our companies, in our businesses, in our activities, endeavors, sport. मेन जो इशू है वो ये है कि वी आर नॉट कनेक्टेड इनफ, वो मुझे लगता है. दैट इज़ वाई yesterday I developed this foundation concept. That developed as in my class I developed it. ऐसा थोड़ी है कि वर्ल्ड में फाउंडेशंस नहीं होती, बट आपको कलेक्टिव अप्रोच है बिल्ड. तो बिकॉज वो एक बड़ा एरिया है, बिकॉज वी वांट टू बी एन एडवांस्ड इकोनॉमी एंड एडवांस्ड कंट्री, वी नीड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो हमारा भी एक ही स्टॉक एक्सचेंज है, राइट? वी हैव व्हाट, वी ओनली हैव बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, मुंबई स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. तो एनी एडवांस कंट्री ना उनके 2 एटलीस्ट होते हैं मिनिमम, राइट? इंडिया को एटलीस्ट 3.5 चाहिए, बिकॉज वी हैव सो मेनी पीपल, और आई डोंट थिंक वन इज़ गुड इनफ. ऑब्वियसली वी नीड आवर इंजन्स ऑफ इकोनॉमी टू बी वर्किंग इन अ वेरी हाई ग्रेड मैनर. तो वो होना ज़रूरी है. शोध हॉस्पिटल, वेरी नाइस हॉस्पिटल. अच्छा ना, लुक्स गुड, एंड दिस इज अ प्लेस ऑफ इंक्वायरी. मेडिसिन अच्छा आता है. सो दैट इज़ इट. चलो ठीक है, लेट मी टेक यू टू द बस स्टॉप एंड देन वी विल से बाय बाय एंड वी विल develop this body of knowledge more. We will navigate what comes ahead, connecting with my own experience in life, and maybe I'll talk about my experience in life and how I feel a bit let down by the team. वो कल I'll talk about it in the next class. हिंदी में भी मैं शूट करूँगा. मेरे चैनल का नाम है मयंक ब्लॉग, हिंदी में ब्लॉग्स, इंग्लिश में मयंक, हिंदी में ज्ञान सौंदर्य एवं शैक्षिक अन्वेषण. मैं मॉम वाज सिंगिंग इन हिंदी. मैंने मम्मी हिंदी तो आती है मुझे, थोड़ी बहुत गूगल भी करी. तो वही है यार. लेट्स बिगिन दिस जर्नी ऑन एजुकेशन एंड सी वेयर इट टेक्स अस, एंड होपफुली इट मेक्स आवर सिटी अ बेटर प्लेस. वो उतना तो कर ही सकते हैं ना. दिल्ली कैन बी मोर ब्यूटीफुल थ्रू एजुकेशन. आई विल एटलीस्ट अप टू एजुकेशन. Maybe I'm able to help others, and hopefully I'm able to help others be themselves. In fact, this is what it is, and I'll close my class with this, that this is actually an attempt towards my own education, right? So maybe I'll do it with foundations, maybe I'm doing it through videos, maybe I'm doing it through my own talents, or speaking, or motivating, or writing. But this is very important, otherwise life will become meaningless. So I will try to do it and see where my education takes me, and hopefully some of you will tag along, or I'll also try to bring some partners and everything, so that we can develop this body of knowledge in a nice manner. I don't know, maybe even write some literature or something, do some philosophical inquiries of our own. So हाँ, ये भी कर सकते हैं ना. I will continue my own education here, and then even try to produce some works or something in philosophy or in education, and then maybe students, school students, or maybe if you are everyone, obviously we can work together in an evening class type of a manner, or maybe that can happen. ठीक है जी, चलो बाय बाय.